Right, let's have a look at these object snap overrides, in particular one called mid between 2 points. Let's see how we can utilize this snap. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a rectangle here to represent a building and give it some wall thickness just so it looks a bit more sensible. There we go. And then copy it alongside using the mirror command. Now we have two buildings, and I need to draw a line right between these two buildings. Okay. Now what people would normally do at this point, typically, is to go to the running object snaps with the endpoint snap set and draw a line across the top, draw a line across the bottom, and use the midpoint snap, draw a line down. And then go afterwards, you'd have to go back in and erase the two horizontal lines. Using the object snap override, mid between 2 points, we can avoid all of that. So let's see how this works. I'm going to go to the line command and then hold the shift key down, right click. I've let go of the keys, and there it is, look, mid between 2 points. The 2 points being this one top left, click, and this one top right, click. And there's the midway between those 2 points. Now down the bottom, I could do just the same with the shift right click, but I'm going to invoke it a different way this time. I'm going to type in letters M2P and press enter. Again, the 2 points being this corner here, click, and this corner here, click, and press the enter key to finish. And there we go, I've drawn that line without having to create any construction lines which have to be erased later on. So that's the object snap override mid between 2 points. Nice neat little tool there.